It's that time of year where I've, lost all my ideas for making videos. It's been, I think it's been like 12 days since I posted my last video. So I'm just gonna put a whole heap of small video ideas that I wouldn't make an entire video about, or that I just just put a whole heap of small little videos together that I wouldn't, make an individual video on, or wouldn't necessarily make a video on. Alright, first video idea, reverse a reversed video. This is the video before I reverse it. This is the video that I'm making as a test. I'm gonna pick a couple of things up, click my fingers. This is after I reversed the video. And this is that reversed video that's been reversed. This is the video that I'm making as a test. I'm gonna pick a couple of things up, click my fingers. That was much better than I expected. I thought there'd be some sort of difference. Alright, next video idea. Slow motion of rattle magnets. Now, if you don't know what rattle magnets are, they're these things here. Now, they're magnetic, and when you throw them up, they make a noise. Like this. Yeah, so I want to see what it looks like in slow motion. Let me make it a little bit easier to see. Alright, I don't know if you can see what's happening here, but the magnets are basically, when you throw them up, they'll hit each other, and then they'll bounce off each other, and they'll hit each other over and over again really, really quickly. I'm going to make it a little bit slower so you can see it even more easily. I've had a lot of people ask me in the comments to drop some more Lego stuff off my balcony, and I was planning to do that today, but I can't do that as it's raining, so I hope you forgive me, because I'm going to play some of my older clips. It's everywhere. Alright, I'm gonna go get a box and I'm gonna clean this up. That video was actually a video by itself that I made a couple of, I think it was like 2 weeks ago now. But it only got 8 views, so I'm gonna play it again, hope it gets some more. Alright, next video idea. You've probably used a stopwatch before, and you've probably seen that the numbers go extremely quickly. Now I want to see if they actually cycle through all the numbers, or if they go in like 10s or 20s or something. So let's just record a screen record of the stopwatch and put it in slow motion. So I'm watching this in super slow motion, and it doesn't look like it does count in individual numbers, but I think it's actually the frame rate that it's been recorded at. The screen records frame rate. So I don't know. Here is the slow motion. As you can see, we've got the phone with the stopwatch on it. And it does appear to be jumping, but I don't think it has a set jump interval. As sometimes it jumps 2, sometimes it jumps 4, sometimes it jumps 3. So it could actually be the phone's screen refresh rate, or it could just, again, be the slow motion camera of the phone. But I'm not actually sure. It could also be the video editing app that I'm using might not allow a certain amount of frames in 1 second or something, but I'm not sure. And I also want to note, when I stop the timer, let's zoom in on that thumb. When I touch the actual stop button, it doesn't look like it stops at the exact same time. Yeah, you can see it keeps going for a little bit, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but hey. If someone who's got a better slow motion camera can record this and tell me, that'd be so much appreciated. There's this trend that I've been seeing going around where people put chalk or like flour, whatever it is, into the Nerf bullet when they shoot it to make it, you know, look a little bit more realistic. And I want to do that, but I want to film it in slow motion. I have my trusty Sharp Shot from the Dart Tag series, and I'm going to try it with this. This Nerf gun, I've actually opened it up, done a couple of coin mods on it. We put coins behind the spring. I weighted the handle with some lead sinkers, and I've also gotten rid of the air restrictor. So it is my favorite single shot Nerf gun, and it's pretty accurate as well. So we're going to use this just because I like it a lot. That also means if I break it, I'm going to be really sad. I have some flour and a Nerf bullet. Now, it's definitely not the most realistic looking thing, but it does look really cool in slow motion. Alright, let's go to the next thing. Before we go on to the next thing, let's do it with a Nerf Magnet. I'm going to be using the Nerf Cyclone Shot. I haven't actually modded this one. It's actually really good already, and I don't want to make it worse, so sometimes mods do it to make them worse. Anyway. Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay. And this is the second shot that I did, but I slowed it down even more. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, all that YouTuber stuff. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!